Tongue-tied linguist on a binge of belief in nothing but selfish love. My soul's the only spirit that led me. I am the Lord of Self. Movements unstable but steady, invisible stealth. Bomber on a mission discreet to meet my maker and maybe even walking his feet. Hey, that man is me.